SUMPRODUCT function returns the sum of the products of corresponding range or arrays. In array 1 argument, select the cell references range, press tab key. In array 2 argument, select the cell references range. Click OK. SUMPRODUCT function multiply all the values of two arrays and then adds and returns $162.42 in this cell. It multiplies these two cells, similarly all other cells, then adds the result of product and returns the result in this cell. SUMPRODUCT function returns the same result as the sum function if you supply one cell references range. Press delete key. Click math and trigonometric function arrow button. Scroll down. Click SUMPRODUCT function. In array 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. SUMPRODUCT function adds these price values and returns $61.16 in this cell. Press delete key. Active this cell. Type 2 and active this cell. Type any text in this cell. Type 3. SUMPRODUCT function treats those cells as zero values which have text values. Active this cell. Click SUMPRODUCT function. In array 1 box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In array 2 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function considers these two cells as zero values because these two cells have text value. Product of these two cells is 0 and function returns $134.38 in this cell. Press delete key. Click SUMPRODUCT function. In array 1 box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In array 2 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. SUMPRODUCT function returns the value error in this cell. Because cell references range do not have same dimensions, I did not include this cell in array 1 box, and in array 2 box I have included this cell. So the dimensions of these two arrays is not same. As a result, function returns value error in this cell. In this way, you can use SUMPRODUCT function in an Excel worksheet.